This is how you track like videos in Google Sheets. Now, you're probably wondering, why would I need to do this and what is it useful for? So, when you're over on YouTube, of course, there's a lot of content over on YouTube, but there's also a lot of creators. And so, if you are in the space of needing to generate leads in your business and you're trying to find places and opportunities to interact with future opportunity clients, YouTube is a good place. You can go there, you can search by topic, you can search by channel, and you can find videos that you should target and people that you should reach out to. Now, the problem is when you go on YouTube, you can create a playlist for this thing, but of course, that would then create junk in a playlist that you can't really track. So, why not create a spreadsheet where we can actually go through and track the people that you want to interact with? So this allows you to go through, like some videos, have those videos added to a sheet, and then once you add them to the sheet, you can go in and kind of add some ways to track them. So go in here again, track your like videos. If you've not been familiar with this platform yet, check out the other videos in the IFTTT series. I go to IFTTT.com. Okay, here's the title of it. Of course, you can always just search for the title. When you go here and explore, you search for this particular title and it'll bring up this applet. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna hit connect. Okay, it's gonna ask me a few basic things. You're gonna add a row to a Google Sheet every time you like a new video. It's a way to track it. You know the deal. Okay, get notifications. I don't need a notification in this case. I am just walking through this. Add row to spreadsheet. Okay, you're gonna name the spreadsheet, right? So go ahead and name the spreadsheet. You can say YouTube like tracking. Okay, if you want to add this, you can, but you do not need to. I'm gonna hit save. Just changes saved. Okay. All right, it says add a new row to Google Sheet every time. Boom, says connected. Now, in my space, or at least in my end, I've already gone through and connected my YouTube account. Okay, you will need to do that if you have not yet, which you can do over here, up here. Also, when you go through this, it'll prompt you to make sure you log in to your Google account. When you're done with this, you can hit on view activity to make sure it's running properly. All right, but I can go over to YouTube now. I don't remember which account it's hooked up to, but I can go over here, view activity, and again, you can check and see and make sure that it's on. So right now it is running and it is on. Okay, so I went ahead over to YouTube, liked the video, and then came back over to activity just so you can see how it looks. I like the video. It says add to Google Sheet. Okay, and that's it. So I went ahead and added it to the Google Sheet. Give you some of the information here. So if I head over to Google, okay, so we're over here in the Google Sheet. Just if you go to your Google Sheets, you just search Google Sheets. It'll bring you to your Google Sheets account. It'll, as you can see, it has the date. Okay, it has the date of the video in here, the title of the video, the description, and the link. Now, what you can do is go ahead and here and insert above and actually add the titles in here. Link. And then what you can do, so now if you're trying to make this a tracker, then you can create something like a status, okay, and then notes, right? And you may want to add stuff like their website. Okay, so again, some cool things you can do with this. Maybe you have a VA or something. You can have them go through this, so to pull out stuff like their websites, phone numbers, and add it to. And now you're creating a record from this. You can go through, you can add the person's name. Now it's a record that you can go through and track, and of course, take action on and help you grow your business. So it can hopefully have some of use to you. It's another way to get things together. If you have any other questions or you need someone to help you set up all this tech stuff, of course, check us out over at automatewithease.com, and see you in the next video.